Hey, what you trying to do, bro? You want to line this up? You want to line this up? I'll let you get a head start. Get a head start. Go ahead, go. Yo, man, we back, man. It's a beautiful Saturday morning, man. I'm finna get y'all a little POV right quick. You know, cut the camera on right quick. My car I just want to cut the camera on because my car just acting up today. It ain't acting up, but you know, it's crazy today. Like, hey, my car wanted me to turn the camera on today. He wanted to show out today, man. Yellow Jet definitely want to show out. Man, y'all see the scenery, man. It's nice. I'm just do a little cruise around for y'all right quick, though. Ain't too much. But let me know how y'all boys been in the comment section, though. I know I did a little POV like the other time, like the other day. I should have went that way. But I did the POV the other day. It was, y'all already know what happened. Some fool almost ran into me, but you know, that video kind of going up, man. I'm trying to stay more consistent with the vlogs and all that. But yeah, y'all already know, man. We finna get this YouTube on and popping. We done hit 700. We at 710 subscribers right now. But yeah, man, we going crazy right now, man. Y'all boy, hey, keep liking, subscribing, sharing, everything, man. Nah, for real. They stopping on the brakes so hard. Y'all, the quality look good right now. Oh my goodness. Y'all, I walked this trail probably like 2-3 times, bro. Every time I walked it, I got lost. Like, I don't know how, but like, it wasn't even my fault. The person I was walking with, or the people that I was walking with, y'all probably like, how the hell you get lost in a trail? Hey, what it is? Oh my goodness, my shit sound good today, bro. I don't even have to get my mid muffler deleted. I was gonna do it like next weekend, but I don't know, like, cause sometimes it be so loud sometimes, like, then when I wanna cruise at night, I just wanna, you know, like, just have it quiet. That's why I think they really put the additive exhaust on here, though. Just to have it loud sometimes and have it quiet at night, you know. I don't really know how to use the additive exhaust. I think it get louder when I put it in sport, but I ain't too sure about that. So don't quote me on that, man. See, we got big Starbucks over there, man. We got, hey, what you trying to do, bro? You want to line this shit up? You want to line this shit up? I'll let you get a head start. Get a head start. Go ahead. He ain't want to smoke for real, man. He ain't want to smoke for real, P. Oh, shit. It's a damn Volkswagen trying to cut up now. Or maybe get on your ass now. Cause I will. You better be lucky, man. I ain't doing too much today, man. Gotta make me get on him, boy, for real. Pause. That boy trying to cut up next to my Scat. Like, you must not know. That nigga must not know. Yeah, man, I just want to bring y'all some content, man. Some nice, enjoyable content. You know, you did. My shit sounds so loud, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I want some Longhorn, man. I ain't had no Longhorn in so long. Y'all can't lie. Them ribeye steaks be going crazy. That shit be fire as hell. I used to eat that or some Chipotle over there. Hey, you the one that come first. Oh, it's a girl cutting up too, I think. She got her hand out the window like shit, girl. But yeah, man. Y'all see how the Scat looking? I gotta go get it cleaned though, man. I mean, it look clean right now on camera, but in real life, you can see, like, you know, little stuff down there. I don't like, you know, little stuff in my car. I like my car clean, detailed all the time, 24/7. That bitch just a clean nigga, man. You did. Just doing a little cruise. Oh yeah, man. We just sold the truck, man. Well, I was just telling y'all about last video. We just sold it. We sold it for like a little more than what we had bought it for. We were hoping to get like a little more, but we had to get it off our hands for real. We had it for a while, so now we finna. After we sell it, we just sold that one, so we finna try to get another one though. And then I'm gonna make a video about that when we get it. So first car sale, first car flip in the books completed. We sold that one, and now we on to the next one, man. We gonna be on Facebook Market, whatever, offer up. Y'all got a car y'all selling, y'all don't want no more, hey, we'll buy it from you, man, for real. And we gonna flip that bitch. We got the Camaro right here. You most definitely don't want to smoke. Most definitely. I like Camaro or Scat, man. Which one y'all like? I forever rock a Scat. You most definitely don't want no smoke. That boy trying to line it up. Now she over there just jamming in a soccer mom van, and she got it tinted. Okay, I see you. I see you. Hey, man. Car sounding right. Y'all hear them pops too. Let me downshift for y'all. Alright, man, the camera is cutting short for some reason. I think it says out of storage, but yeah, I want to give y'all like them little pops, but hold on, let me see if I can. Oh my goodness. My shit just, hey man. This shit going crazy right now. Damn. This car do not bullshit. This car do not bullshit, man. Let's see if it pop right here. I ain't gonna do it with the what's the name. I'm gonna just let it do it by itself. Alright, it's a little bit. Let's see. I don't want to put it in manual because I have two hands right now. So them boys on the grill. Oh yeah, y'all boys doing for Labor Day weekend, man. Y'all boys on the grill. What y'all doing, man? Let me know in the comment section. Y'all, is y'all cooking for real, man? Let me know. I might have to pull up and give me a plate. But nah, man, y'all boy, hey, stay safe this weekend. You know, be with your family and have a good time, man. For real, that's what it's all about. Oh, I ain't gonna lie, y'all. I saw a TRX yesterday. They had like a T-Rex logo with like the. Oh, y'all heard the pop? See, I told you my car be popping sometimes. See, look, it just did. But yeah, y'all probably can't hear it, but yeah, it had the TRX logo with the red eye inside though. I ain't never seen nothing like that, bro. I don't know if they do that for real, but that was my first time really seeing that TRX logo. I know they got a Trackhawk logo too with the red eye too, but man, bro, I want to get like a little Scat Pack logo, put a red eye in there, I ain't gonna lie. But nah, that'll be OD though. That's only for the Hellcat and 6.2 people with the supercharged. I'm gonna stay with my Scat, my 6.4 logo. You dig? I love my Scat, man. That 6.4 ain't no joke, man. But yeah, man, they're gonna do it for the video, man. I wanna give y'all a quick little, you know, POV. Let y'all know what's going on right now, man. Y'all have a safe, blessed Memorial weekend. I mean, Labor Day weekend, same thing, almost. But yeah, man, like, share, comment, subscribe, and let's get it.